Hello everyone, this is Vijayasri, working as an assistant professor in the department of CSIT, MLR Institute of Technology. In this session, we are going to discuss about switch and jump statements in C. Overview of the session: switch case, then jump statements. Jump statements are break, continue, go to. Switch case. What is a switch case? Using switch case, one can select only one option from more number of options very easily. In switch statement, we provide a value to be compared with a value associated with each option. Whenever the given value matches with the associated option, then that particular option execution start. In switch case, every option is defined as a case. So first we'll go with the syntax of switch case. Switch. In this parenthesis, we'll write either integer expression or character expression. Then, if that particular character expression or integer expression matches with the case value, that is case label case space label 1 colon, here we have to write this set of statements. Then let us suppose we will write 3 cases: case label 2 set of statements, then case label 3 set of statements. So here it will evaluate the integer expression or the character expression, and if that expression or that value matches with any one of the case, then that particular statements are executed. Then we have a break. After executing that particular case, the flow of execution breaks. So for every case, we have a break statement. Break. If all the cases are not matches with the given expression, then it has to execute the default set of statements, then end of switch. So here we told that only the value is compared, value that is to be compared with the value associated in each options. Here we have 3 options. Here we have a value which is compared with these 3 options. If any one is matches, then that particular case is executed, then break. If all the cases are doesn't match with the expression, then default will be executed. First we'll go with a simple program, like here I'll write the entire program. Here we have 10 cases, 9 cases. I'm going with only 3 cases. stdio.h, then main, then int a. Here I'm considering a. Printf, enter a value. Then scanf, whatever the value given by the user, we have to read using a function called scanf, address of a. Then here I am taking a switch A. So case label is here 1. Then printf here I am printing 1. Then break. I am writing one more case 2, printf 2, then break. One more case 3, printf 3, then break. If all the cases doesn't match with the switch value, then we have to write a default. So here I am writing printf invalid, then end of switch, end of main. So this is a simple program in which we are having 3 cases. So always the execution starts from the main section. Then in the sequence we have A. So enter the value A. Let us suppose the value of A is, I am entering 2. So that is given by the user. We are using a scanf statement to read the input from the user. So here the A value is 2. So what is A value? A value is 2. So is there any case match with this value? Here we have a case 2. Then the control go to the case 2. Control goes to the case 2. Then we have a printf statement on the console window. The console window, it prints 2, then breaks the flow of execution. Let us suppose here the A value is not 2. Here A value is 10. So what is A value? Switch A. Here A value is 10. Is there any case value matches with the switch expression? No. Then the control goes to default. It prints. What it prints on the console window? It prints invalid. Then end of the execution. So if you consider this example, here the execution starts from main section. So n is declared as an integer type because I am giving n value as a integer type. So here enter any digit. Here I am entering the digit n value as 0. Now switch n. What is n? N is 0. Is there any case matches with that switch value? So here we have a case 0. So it prints on the console window 0, then break the execution. Let us suppose if I gave here n value as 9. N value as 9. Now what is n value? N value is 9. Is there any case matches with the n? Yes, we have case 9. So here it prints 9, then ends the execution. So here we have one more example to check whether the given character is oval or not. Given character is oval or not. So when we say that a character is oval, when it is A, E, I, O, U. If we have these characters, then it is said to be a oval. So the character is to be declared. Always the execution starts from main. The character is declared with a data type char. Then enter the character. Let us suppose the character is A. So here what is ch value? Ch value is A. So is there any case matches with this? Yes, here we have A. So on the console window, it prints oval. So if you see the output, here I gave ch value as E. Now what is ch? Is E. So the control checks the cases which matches to that switch. So here we have case E, it prints oval on the console window. If at all, if we did not give A, E, I, O, U, let us suppose I gave some special character like percentage. So here switch Is there any percentage like that? No. So it prints invalid choice. Then jump statements in C. So the jump statements in C are break, continue and go to. In C, there are control statements that no need any condition to control the program. These statements doesn't need any condition. That's why these are called as unconditional control statements. C language provides the following unconditional control statements. Those are break, continue and go to. So the above three statements doesn't need any condition to control program execution flow. Break statement. Already we have seen about the break statement in switch case. If this particular case execute, then the control encounters with a break, so the flow of execution stops. Break statement in C, break statement is used to perform the following two things. What are those two things? Break statement is used to terminate switch case. Already we have seen the break in switch case. Then not only in switch case, it is also used to terminate the loops like while, do while and for. So here we have a simple program. So always the execution starts from main section, int I. So here we declared I as an integer variable. So for I equal to 1, I is initialized with the value 1. I value is 1, 1 less than or equal to 10, condition is true. If the condition is true, it enters into body of the loop. In that we have a if condition, that is I equal to 4, where I value is 1, 1 equal to 4. Is this condition true? No. So the execution doesn't break. Then the control goes to printf statement. Printf %d comma I. It prints 1. Again I plus plus. I value gets updated. Now I value is 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Then we have to check if condition, that is I equal to 4. 2 equal to 4. No. So it will not enter into break statement. It will go to the printf %d comma I, where I value is, then again I plus plus. Now I value becomes 3, 3 less than or equal to 10. Condition true. Then we have to check with the if condition, where that is I equal to 4. I value is 3 equal to 4. Condition is false. Then printf %d comma I, that is 3. Again I plus plus. Now I becomes 4. 4 less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Then we have to check with the if condition, that is if I equal to 4, where I value is 4. 4 equal to 4. Yes, now the condition is true. If the condition is true, it has to execute, it has to break the flow of execution. So the flow of execution get terminated in this particular iteration. So where I will not get updated, it will terminate when I value is 4. Then continue. The continue statement is used to move the program execution control to the beginning of the loop. When continue statement is encountered in a looping statement, the execution control skips the rest of the statement in the looping block and directly jumps to the beginning of the loop. We'll go with the example. Continue statement can be used in a looping statements like while, do while and for. So here we have a simple example. Again here the execution starts from main. Here we declared I as an integer value, where I is initialized with the value 1. What is I value? 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. Condition is here I less than or equal to 10. I value is 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. So it has to enter into if condition. It has to check whether if condition is true or false. If I equal to 4, where I value is 1, is it equal to 4? No. Then it will not continue. Printf I. Here it prints 1. Again I plus plus. Now I becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Then we have to check if I equal to 4, where I value is 2. 2 equal to 4. Is 2 equal to 4? No. Then it will not continue, it will print the I, where I value is 2. Again, I gets updated, I value now it is 3. 3 less than or equal to 10, condition is true, then we have to check with the if I equal to 4, that is 3. Equal to 4? No. So it will not continue the loop, then it will print 3. Again, I plus plus, now I becomes 4. 4 less than or equal to 10, yes, condition is true, then we have to check if I equal to 4, where I value is 4. 4 equal to 4, yes. Now the condition is true. If the condition is true, it has to continue. That means when this continue encountered, it has to skip that current iteration, and I value will get updated. It will not print 4. If you observe in the console window, 1, 2, 3, when I equal to 4, that particular iteration got skipped and I value gets updated. Now I value becomes 5. When I equal to 4, it will continue the loop. So after I plus plus, here we printed 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 4. When I is 4, that particular iteration got skipped using the continue statement. Then go to. The go to statement is used to jump from one line to another line in a program. Using go to statement, we can jump from top to bottom or bottom to top. To jump from one line to another line, we have to use a go to statement, requires a label. When we use a go to statement in a program, the execution control directly jumps to the line with a specified label. We'll see the example. So main we have, in main I have declared age as a integer type. Then here we have a G where it is a label name. Printf, you are eligible to vote. Then S, label name, printf not eligible. Then printf enter age. Let us suppose age is 25. Now we have to read this particular input given by the user using scanf function. So now age value is 25. If age is here 25, greater than or equal to 18, yes, condition is true, then go to G. So the control jumps from here to here. Now it prints eligible to vote. Now let us suppose here the age value is 5. Now what is age? Age is 5. If age greater than or equal to 18, 5 greater than or equal to 18, is 5 greater than or equal to 18? No. So the control goes to else. There we have go to yes. So the control now jumps from here to yes. There we have you are not eligible to vote. So in today's session, we have seen switch case statement and jump statements. Those are break, continue, go to. The next session will go with loop control statements. Thank you.